Network marketing is a business model that involves a network of individuals who sell products or services. It has the potential to offer flexible working hours and unlimited income potential, making it an attractive prospect for beginners. By promoting products they are passionate about, individuals can build a business while enjoying the support and mentorship of a larger network. The appeal lies in the low initial investment and the opportunity to work from home. Beginners can benefit from the training and guidance provided by experienced network marketers, enabling them to start their entrepreneurial journey with confidence. Identifying a niche and product is crucial in network marketing. Researching potential markets and products helps in understanding the demand and competition, enabling beginners to make informed decisions. It's important to consider personal interest and expertise when selecting a product to promote, as passion and knowledge can enhance promotional efforts. By aligning with a niche that resonates with their interests and skills, individuals can effectively engage with their target audience and build credibility. This strategic approach can lead to long-term success and fulfillment in the network marketing business. Personal branding holds significant weight in network marketing. It sets individuals apart and shapes how they are perceived by their audience. Establishing a unique brand identity involves conveying a compelling story and value proposition that resonates with potential customers. This can be achieved through consistent messaging, visual elements, and customer interactions. Tips for building a strong personal brand include showcasing authenticity, expertise, and reliability. By effectively communicating these attributes, network marketers can build trust and credibility, ultimately attracting and retaining loyal customers. Prospecting and lead generation are vital aspects of network marketing success. Strategies for finding and approaching potential leads involve identifying target demographics, leveraging social media platforms, and engaging in networking events. Additionally, utilizing online and offline resources such as email marketing, content creation, and attending industry-related conferences can help expand the reach and visibility of the business. By implementing a well-rounded approach, network marketers can effectively connect with potential leads, nurture relationships, and convert leads into loyal customers, driving the growth of their business. In network marketing, effective communication is the cornerstone of success. It involves articulating the product or service benefits, understanding customer needs, and delivering compelling messages. Nurturing and maintaining strong relationships with prospects and clients is equally important. This entails active listening, providing personalized attention, and offering ongoing support to build trust and loyalty. By prioritizing clear and empathetic communication, network marketers can establish meaningful connections, address customer concerns, and foster lasting relationships that contribute to sustained business growth and success.